Now we will see the keywords we have in common with our competition. Let's continue with the click, which is if we run the general domain report. If we look for their competitors, their main competitors by words, and go to the main report. We will discover who the main competitors are, and from any of them. For example, from information builders. We can discover the keywords we have in common that are ranked and clearly listed in the top 20 positions of Google search results pages, which is indeed a significant insight for our comparative analysis. And the position where click is, and the position where information builder is. If we also want to find out how the AdWords section is performing or if there are any significant changes or trends, we go to the advertising section. Again, we navigate to the competitors section, but now focusing specifically on AdWords competitors. By observing this, we see that it is also quite insightful as it provides valuable information. Information builders. We could see all their words, but here we're interested in the common ones. And we see that with information builders, we have these words in common in other worlds,